Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of communication and calls in Telegram. We will solve all the problems of calls in Telegram in this video. But before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supported it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. Then go to the applications. Then go to the applications again. After that, you search for the Telegram application among the applications you have here, or write in the application search engine, write Telegram, and it will appear to you. After that, you click on it, then click on the permissions and give it the permissions to work well. All the permissions are activated. After that, you exit and click on the storage. After that, you clear the cache memory. Then you exit again and click on data usage. After that, you activate these options so that the Telegram application can work well and the internet is not cut off. After that, we click on the energy usage details, then we click on the operation settings, then we deactivate this option. This option restricts the operation to save energy in Telegram, will not work well after doing these steps. Restart your phone. God willing, you will find that the problem is old. For any problems, for any inquiries, for any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.